Hey guys, welcome back to Mybartender. Today we'll be teaching you how to make the Raspberry Bourbon Smash. First, add 4 raspberries to your cocktail shaker. Next, add 6 to 8 mint leaves. Now muddle. Now add ice. Next, add 2 ounces of your favorite bourbon. Next, add a ½ ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Now add a ½ ounce of raspberry syrup. And shake until well chilled. Now add an ice rock to your rocks glass. Now pour through a mesh strainer. Finally garnish with a lemon wheel, fresh raspberries, and a mint sprig. And that's how you make the Raspberry Bourbon Smash. Cheers.